Imagine a world where the secret to burning fat lies not in high-intensity workouts, but in the calming embrace of slow movements. Zone 2 cardio is just that, an unexpected hero in the realm of fitness. What if the path to better health and improved endurance required slowing down instead of pushing harder? Here we uncover the transformative power of exercising within the Zone 2 fat-burning zone, a state many overlook. Welcome to the enlightening realm of Zone 2 cardio. Defined as maintaining 60–70% of your maximum heart rate, this zone feels deceptively easy, yet the benefits it offers are monumental. By tapping into this gentle intensity, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, capable of utilizing stored fats efficiently without gasping for air. It's a sustainable approach that invites anyone to step into a healthier lifestyle without the daunting intensity of traditional workouts. So, how do you know you're in Zone 2? Picture yourself engaging in light conversation without losing your breath. This is a surefire sign you're in the sweet spot. As you briskly walk, cycle lightly, or swim at an easy pace, keep your heart rate steadily within that 60–70% range. This effortless experience not only promotes fat loss but also boosts your heart health, increases your energy levels, and builds endurance. Imagine feeling fitter and more vigorous, all by adopting a calm-paced workout routine. To reap the benefits of Zone 2, allocate 30 to 45 minutes per session, 3 to 5 times a week. Embrace a rhythmic journey of brisk walks, easy cycling, swimming, or slow stair climbing. Consistency is key. This isn't about rushing, but rather about enjoying the process. Visualize those who have succeeded in this approach, individuals who have lost weight, improved their running capabilities, or even managed their diabetes more effectively through gentle cardio. These real results spark hope and motivation in others to follow suit. In the end, Zone 2 cardio is not just a temporary trend. It's the cornerstone of a lifetime of fitness. The clarity of purpose it brings to your health journey fosters long-term fat loss, enhances heart health, and cultivates a stronger you. Engage with this transformative exercise methodology and transform your perspective on what it means to be fit. So, have you ventured into the world of Zone 2 cardio yet? Discovering this workout style may very well be the pivotal change your body needs.
Stay fit. Stay strong. See you in the next video.